Hey everyone, it's LaDon. I hope you're doing well. I am going to make a really quick video today to show you my takedown process for beach waves. This is a style I saw on Naptural85. Sectioned my hair into 5 sections, just as she did, and I used my flaxseed gel. I will place right here. I'm going to place a link to my flaxseed gel recipe. This is a new recipe, and I have to tell you all, it is an absolute bomb. It is so awesome. It's better than any flaxseed gel I've made, and I believe it's because I've infused those herbs and more oils into it. What I'm finding is that my hair is just super soft with it. As I stated in my braid and twist out video, just really super soft, and the hold is absolutely great. So I'm really recommending, if you haven't tried to make a flaxseed gel, or you're looking for a recipe that not only gives you the benefit of flaxseed, but gives you the benefit of various herbs that are good for your hair, as well as oils, you may want to check that out, especially if you're suffering from dryness of your hair and scalp. So I use that. I applied a bit to each section. I actually I did apply water also, but I sprayed the water on my hands, and then I just went over the section with my hand. The reason I did that was because I didn't want my hair to revert back to being curly, so I indirectly applied water. I did the same thing with the gel. I squirted a little on my hands, and then I applied it to my hair, primarily focusing on the ends for holds. Okay, so that's essentially all I did. For the most part, I followed her process, and now I guess we will get to the results. Okay, so these are the final results, and I have to say I'm actually pretty pleased with them. One of the reasons I was all down here, that's because I have my mirror right here, and also I'm trying to move in the light. It's very overcast. It's a very overcast day here in the Chicagoland area, and so I'm trying to give you guys also the best lighting I possibly can give you. So I'm so happy to have been proven wrong about this style. I wasn't sure that with finer hair it would yield nice results, but it actually does, and I'm loving this. Loving this. I may even pin this back a little bit. I don't know. But I'm definitely loving this. So I give this a thumbs up for fine hair chicks. And I will look forward to seeing you guys in the next video. I really appreciate your watching this one. And if you have any comments, please don't hesitate to leave them in the comment box below. Take care. Talk to you soon. Bye.